Hey guys, I'm hoping you guys are doing really well. Today I'm going to share the 3 products that I use every single day, and I'm going to share what are those. And I hope this will be so helpful for you. And let's get into the video. So these are the 3 products that I use every single day. The one is the moisturizer, one is a frizz taming serum from L'Oreal, and another one is a lipstick. It's also, I use that also for a blush, for eyeshadow, whatnot. So the first one is from Garnier Skin Active. It's actually called Moisture Bomb. It says the antioxidant super moisturizer. So I have like extremely dry skin, You have no idea how dry it is. Sometimes in winter, my skin just peels off by itself. So this helped me so much to get through the winter, and also I like it to use after face wash, after shower, before sleep. So this is the product. I hope you can see that. The next one is, my hair is so frizzy and it's like so voluminous that I just feel sometimes it's like picking me here and there. When I had long hair, when I had short hair, trust me, I use this every single day. This is my 3rd bottle, and you can see, and just one pump. Let me show you. Just this is enough for your whole hair for one day. I don't want to waste this because this is my favorite product. You can see the shine, right? So, and the next one is from Sephora, and I have 2 shades in it, and I use this more often, but both shades had like really good formulation. So this is from Sephora. It's from the Lip Story collection of theirs, and this particular shade I'm wearing is called Spring Break. So this is a beautiful nude. If you are a brown girl and if you like a little bit of that pink texture on your nude lipstick, you should go for this. And it's not expensive. It says $10, and it lasts for like 2 to 3 hours. For me, if you're not drinking or eating anything, it lasts until the evening. But I'm like more of water addict. I like drink water now and then. So this one, it doesn't stay long, but the formulation, I have to show you. No, see, if you wipe, you will get this much product out. So the first wipe, second wipe, so pretty much the product is gone out of my lips. Still there is some color left in my lips, and that's how I like my lipstick, if it is going, not like patching here and there. So this is my favorite lipstick that I use like every single day. I'll show you the application. This is how it looks in like on swatch. It's really good. Like I'm using it since like 3 months, and I still have this much left, and I use it every single day, trust me. And also when I need like a blush or something, and if I don't have anything in hand, I'll just take some, put it like this. That's how I do my blush when I'm out of house and I really need to do a little bit quick. That's all. So these are the 3 products that I really love using every single day, and I hope you like it. And also I try to attach the link of each and every product so that you can go and you view it, and if you really like it, you can even buy it. And that's all today, and thank you for watching. I hope I'll see you soon. Ciao.